Hey everyone, Grouchy Lenny here. Got another mail call today. Lily's going to join us for that. Had an exciting week of packages. Um, Today's mail call is from Know the Bird and Lockpicking Llama. So let's go ahead and hop in. Lenny. So we're here for now. So Know the Bird did a First in the Fortress giveaway where he sent out 5200s and Ingersoll locks to a number of really skilled lock sporters who all competed to see who could get the fastest open on those. I was not in that competition because I'm not that caliber of lockpicker yet. But he also did a giveaway for people who guessed the number of gumballs in a container. So I was fortunate enough to have the second closest guess, and this is what he sent as a prize. So thank you, Know the Bird. If you haven't seen Know the Bird's channel, definitely. I'll put links in the description. Please go check Know the Bird's channel out. Very, very skilled lock sporter. Really nice guy. Very knowledgeable. So definitely go check his channel out. And let's see. Ooh, we have stickers. Nice. Know the Bird stickers. Awesome. Those are very cool. Circuit board, looks like, in the background. And tool stickers. Cool. I just joined Tool this week, so that's very timely. Tool is the open organization of lockpickers. They're an organization that supports Locksport and helps protect it, keeps an eye on any potential laws or things like that that might try and endanger our hobby. They inform and educate people about Locksport, and they host lockpicking villages at various conventions and events. So definitely check Tool out. It's TOOOL.us in the US. So the bird sent the people who guessed an Ingersoll lock. Wow, that thing is huge. That is a beast. Oh, cool. And a little multi-tool. Very cool. It's got a screwdriver, looks like a bottle cap opener, a little saw blade, a little knife. Huh, that's very cool. Oh, and there goes Lily attacking my monitor again. Wow, that is really a beast. There's the keyway on that. If you can see that. Zoom in. There we go. This has got to be like a few pounds. This is really, wow. That's amazing. Very, very cool. Very cool. I'm excited about this. I haven't really studied this yet. I haven't delved into it too much, but I understand that's a Medico cylinder in there at the core of this. Wow, I just can't get over how heavy that is. I'll have to weigh that. I think it's got to be at least 5 pounds. Just a nice hunk of metal. Very cool. Thank you very much, Know the Bird. Thank you not only for that, but for the competition that you held. Even though I didn't participate in the competition, I definitely watched all the entries. I watched the lock sporters who did compete, and it was exciting. It was fun to watch them going back and forth and one-upping each other on time. And was a lot of fun. Just a good-natured competition, and it was really cool. It was a very cool thing you did. So thank you from me, and I'm sure a lot of the members of the community feel the same. Thank you for sponsoring that and doing that competition. That was definitely a lot of fun. I'll put this here for now. Hey, Lily. Now this package is from Lockpicking Llama, who's out of Croatia. Great guy, really good channel. Please go check him out. I will put links for both channels, but Lockpicking Llama's channel is really a lot of fun, and really good guy. He's doing a lot of fun stuff with the opens, and definitely go check him out. He had a competition, a giveaway for 120 subscribers. So congrats on hitting that, and just being a great channel all around. It's one of my favorite channels. I always check his videos out. So I won the giveaway. I'm just going to take this letter. I did open the exterior packaging. It was very secure packaging. I'm just going to take a peek at this letter off camera first to make sure there's nothing, no PII in there that might give away addresses or anything like that. Greetings from, I'm going to butcher the pronunciation on this, but Varajdin. Very cool. That's beautiful. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Awesome. There is a challenge lock in here. Kittens Does World Tour. Dear fellow picker, before you is a Crow Llama first challenge lock called Kittens. It may not prove to be too challenging, but it is my first, so be gentle. After you have picked it, please keep one Titan decoder and one keychain, except the one on the key. Sign this list with the date of the successful pick, and pass the box on to the next one closest to your geographical location picker on the list. If you so wish, after each picker from the list has had a go at this challenge lock, you can pass it on to a non-listed picker of trust, whom I humbly ask to add their respective info under the table of listed pickers, but please make sure the lock finds its way back to DPL Locksport. Awesome. Wow. Very cool. So I am fortunate enough to get a first shot at this challenge lock. Now, I hope my skills are up for it, actually. He said it might not prove too challenging, but I'm still a novice lock picker, so. But yeah, so I'm excited. Check that out. My name on the same list is Lock Junkie, C Studio, Nick BT, and Random Jim. That's awesome. So, cool. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I will definitely give this my best effort, and I will definitely pass it on to others so that your challenge lock can be enjoyed. Let's see. Let's open up the package. Let's get a look at that challenge lock. It's kind of neat. We got like corner protectors. The package. I have to hold on to those. Handy for shipping. Ooh, Abus 6040. Very nice. Cool. exhibit stickers. Oh, oh, cool! A disc detainer pinning tray. Nice. I'm gonna have to get into disc detainer locks here. I've been debating it, picking up a disc detainer picking tool. So very nice. Thank you. Here we go. Oh wow. There's a bunch of stickers in here. Let's get to. Very excited to get this. There's Lockpicking Llama's poker chip. Let me get this in focus. There we go. How cool is that? Very cool. Nice. Need to expand my chip rack so I can fit all these chips. Have Nick Fit. Very cool. Great guy, great picker. Random Jim, also another great channel to check out. He does leatherworking in addition to lock sporting. Here we go. Lockpicking Llamas. Ooh. Lockpicking Llama stickers. Awesome. Thank you. Definitely excited to add that to my collection. Lockpicking Paul and Lock Junkie, also great channels. And Multi-Pick, nice. One of the sponsors for Mitten Maid. All right. Let's see. Now I'll have to ask more about these. I think these were provided by DPL Locksport, who 3D printed these, but I'm not quite sure. Not quite sure what these are. I'll have to ask Lockpicking Llama about that, but they look interesting. Thank you. I appreciate it. I know Lockpicking Llama and DPL Locksport are lock buddies, and they trade locks and things back and forth. I think it's awesome to have friends in the community, and they're actually, I don't know if they started as real life friends or become real life friends, but it's just really cool the interactions in the community. So the multi-pick sticker, very cool. Let's see. Oh, some more locks. Ooh, that's pretty. Metallic purple lock there. No, that's at least like that's like a 50 millimeter, I think. It seems to have kind of a small keyway and cylinder in there. It's slim though. Very cool. Ooh, Bergwachter. Bergwachter? Wachter? Again, my pronunciation. Bergwachter. Nice. That's my first Bergwachter lock. Ooh. Okay, now this. Must be the key for the Bergwachter. number on that, number code. I wonder if that's for this. Oh, I bet it is. I bet it's the combination for this. That's cool. I've never seen a combination lock like this before. So it's probably hard to see here. I don't know if the camera can zoom in on that. There's numbers next to each button, 1 through 8. That's how you do the combination. So, press in. It looks like this is the release. So, the reset, you just press them back from the back. That's neat. I've never seen a lock like that. That's probably the key for the Berg Proctor. Very cool. Let's play with that combination lock. For sure. Ooh. Oh, check that out. Got a keychain. Okay. This is probably the key for the challenge lock. So it looks like he's got it masked to hide the bidding. And these keys must be for the other locks. Okay. I'll have to sort the keys out. Which one's which, but there's a bunch of other locks. Oh, Euro cylinders. Oh, here we go. Crow Llama. Malice in Wonderland. Malice in Wonderland. That's not kitten. Kittens. Very cool though. I dig the name. CB. Very cool. So another challenge lock. Nice. I'm excited. I've got challenge locks to play with. And more Euro cylinders. Oops. Let's put this box aside. Wing House. 5-pin Euro cylinder. Ooh, and a Yale. 5-pin. Wonder if that's a 500. Let's look that up and see. Very cool. That'd be great if it's a 500, especially because that's a blue belt, which I'm working towards. But it's gonna be a fun lock either way. That is so cool. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, looks like a 3D printed utility knife. Very cool. There we go. Nice. That's cool. Locks back in place. Sweet. Wow, this is really awesome. Oh, and here's... Ooh. Here we go, jackknife lockpick set. Got a tensioning tool there that pops off. Oh, nice. Look at all those profiles. forest diamond, some city rakes, half diamond. We got a medium round hook and a half ball. Nice. Yeah, see, Lily's excited. Very cool. Great little EDC picking set here. The screw locks it in place. Very cool. That is sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lockpicking Llama, you rock. That is so cool. I don't have a, or didn't have, pocket pick set till now. So this is definitely going in my EDC. Let's get the hang of. There we go. That's cool. Definitely going in my EDC. Lock it down. Everything's in place. That is sweet. I really like that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is so cool. And here we are. Presumably, this is kittens. Is this kittens? Ooh, nice box. And so here's the stickers. Ooh, and there's keychains. Wow, that's awesome. He's got keychains made up for the challenge lock. Okay, here's the key. It's obscured. Well, this is the decoder. Cool. And I'll check that out. Gotta zoom in on this. This is Llama. My lighting's terrible, so you can't see it, but there we go. That's really neat engraving. I haven't made my challenge locks yet, but I doubt my engraving will be quite that tidy and neat. That's very cool. So it's a Titan lock. And it is kittens. And who doesn't love kittens? I mean, seriously. That is so cool. I am really excited to give this a try. I will be playing with this, doing my best, and I will pass it on for sure, so other people can enjoy it as well. Get these back in here. Wow. Well, thank you again. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you to Lockpicking Llama. And I really appreciate it. Thank you for the wonderful giveaway and the prizes. And I am so excited to receive this. And I'm really honored to be the first to get a chance at your challenge lock. I'm really excited about that. Thank you so much. Thank you. I can't express my gratitude enough. Looking forward to this and just I'm speechless. Yeah, thank you so much. I love meeting friends like you through the Locksport community, and just such a kind and open, welcoming, generous community. thank you so much. I'm definitely going to pass it along, um, and really appreciate it. Thank you, Know the Bird, again for this really sweet prize and for the fun giveaway. And thank you, Lockpicking Llama. Congrats on the viewers. Love seeing your channel grow and love watching your channel. It's great content from just a genuinely good guy. That's all I have today. Thanks everyone for joining and watching, and you all have a great day. Keep on picking and grinning. Bye.